Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Linpo photo dance and AI filter application. So first of all you need to install this app and then tap the open button. Then you can see the interface like this. Continue with the app. So you can upload your photos and videos to make, or you can enhance your face, expand your beauty. You can try this. That easy is template. So you will get here a lot of template. So you have to choose one template to get your own version. So I'm just going to choose this one. And then you have to upload your picture. So I'm just going to upload this one and continue. Agree. It deducted 20 coins, so it's not totally free. You just need coins, so you can okay. Just wait. It's processing now, drawing now. You have to upgrade to get the so it's successfully drawing in 1 minute. It will be ready in 1 minute. Now you can see how it looks animated. So this is very nice. You can animate it to the watermark that you can towards the photos to animate it. Today's normal and to the next video.